There's breaking news just coming in. India Today has accessed pictures of damaged roof at a building located in the technical area of Jammu Airport. The roof has been damaged as a result of the first explosion at 1:37 a.m. There's also CCTV footage of the moment when the explosion occurred. Also has been accessed exclusively by India Today. This is a big India Today exclusive that we're breaking at this point of time. Ashraf Wani is joining us for the very latest. Ashraf, for our viewers who have just tuned in, first tell them about the Jammu Airport blast, what the sources are indicating, authorities are indicating at this point of time, and also bring our viewers up to speed with the pictures that India Today has accessed exclusively.
Jyoti, absolutely. This is a serious concern for the security agencies in the Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in the Air Force base where this blast took place. The investigations are going on not only in the Jammu, but in fact the Vice Marshal of the Air Force is reaching in some time to the Jammu airport and seeking the details of this blast. This was the low intensity blast, but as we are showing our viewers the exclusive pictures assessed by India Today, there was some damage in one of the buildings. Its roof was cut by the blast. That shows the nature of blast. The first indications are that probably it could be the drone blast, because earlier also it is the airport which is very near to the international border in the Jammu. Earlier we have seen incidents where the weapon was dropped by the drones in the areas near international border, and in fact that is the suspect which is so far being investigated. But it was in the night, deep night, as you said, some say two consecutive blasts, Air Force says one blast, and now when this investigation will get over, then finally we could understand the nature of blast, who is behind it, how it took place. And the good news is only that there is not any kind of a major blast, major loss in the Air Force area, and not any kind of technical thing has got any kind of effect or damage due to these two blasts, which are so far being told. But so far the defense sources are saying that they are investigating it, and as far as the investigation will come out, they will come out with the details that what is the nature of blast, what was cause of blast, how it took place, why this there was a kind of a security breach in the Air Force, because we have seen earlier in the Pathankot Air Base, same kind of that.
And I just want to tell our viewers, Ashraf has also got us those exclusive pictures that you see on your screens at the moment. So that's the big breaking news that is coming in. There's more breaking news coming in at the moment.